Mapping services in Faridabad city play a crucial role in providing accurate and detailed geographic information to businesses and individuals. These services utilize advanced technology and tools to create maps that depict various aspects of the city, such as roads, buildings, landmarks, and infrastructure. By utilizing mapping services, businesses can make informed decisions about location selection, marketing strategies, and resource allocation. Furthermore, individuals can benefit from these services by navigating through the city more efficiently and finding the best routes to their desired destinations. One of the key players in mapping services in Faridabad city is Scon Design. This renowned company specializes in creating high-quality maps that are not only visually appealing but also provide accurate and up-to-date information. Scon Design utilizes state-of-the-art technology and a team of skilled professionals to ensure the delivery of reliable mapping services. Their expertise lies in capturing intricate details of the city's landscape, including street names, building footprints, and points of interest. Whether it is for urban planning, real estate development, or transportation management, Scon Design offers comprehensive mapping solutions tailored to meet the specific needs of their clients. The mapping services provided by Scon Design in Faridabad city are not limited to static maps only. They also offer dynamic mapping solutions that allow for real-time updates and interactive features. These dynamic maps can be accessed through various platforms, including websites and mobile applications. By integrating live data feeds and DGP tracking systems, Scon Design ensures that users have access to the most accurate and current information. This enables businesses to monitor their assets and operations effectively, while individuals can rely on these maps for navigation purposes. In the city of Faridabad, mapping services are essential for giving people and companies with precise geographic data. Maps depicting the city's numerous features, including its roads, buildings, landmarks, and infrastructure, are produced by these services using cutting-edge technology and tools. Businesses can choose the best locations, employ effective marketing techniques, and allocate resources wisely by using mapping services. The ability to navigate the city more effectively and identify the best routes to their intended destinations is another advantage of these services for users. Scon Design is one of the major participants in the city of Faridabad's mapping industry. This well-known business specializes in producing top-notch maps that are both aesthetically pleasing and offer accurate and current information. Modern technology and a staff of qualified experts are combined by Scon Design to give accurate mapping services. Their area of specialty is in recording minute elements of the cityscape, such as street names, building footprints, and tourist attractions. Scon Design offers thorough mapping solutions that are adapted to match the unique demands of their clients, whether they are for urban planning, property development, or transportation management. Scon Design doesn't just offer static maps as part of its mapping services in the city of Faridabad.